Welcome to our second lesson in our 12-step to learn how to play the piano. In this module, you're going to learn posture. Posture is incredibly important because it allows you to feel free with the piano. So as you learn, you're going to see that if we're really close to the keys, we cannot move, right? It would make it virtually impossible. But if you're so far, you won't be able to reach the keys. So what's the right distance? Well, the way I know for myself, and I also teach my students, I ask them to stretch their arms in front of them. And if you have a piano like I do, or if you have a keyboard, it's going to be basically on the line of the black keys. So if you're too far, then you kind of like move yourself a little bit, scooch forward, stretch your arms in front of you, and then you see that you have a pretty good distance, okay? Also, keeping straight back is very important because if you hunch back, like if you have a hunchback like that, it would make it harder for you to use your body as you play. A lot of the times when you play the piano, it's not just the fingers. You use your whole body. You move your torso, you move your weight, your arm weight, so everything has to be in line to feel good. So everybody's gonna have a different feeling to the piano because everybody is different. Different body sizes and different body shapes, heights, all of that. You have to figure out what works best for you using these guidelines. Also, make sure that the height of the bench allows you to have an elbow about the same level of the keys, okay? If we're too low, it's going to be hard to use the wrist and, to develop strong fingers. If we're also too high, you're gonna have the same problem and you might even have like shoulder pain, back pain. So having the bench, this one is an adjustable bench. So you may roll it either up or down, and you're gonna have that allowing you to be in the same height with the keys, okay? So that's how I know my posture at the piano and in the correct height that will allow me to feel good as I play without really avoiding pain, without having to go through, any pain ache, like body aches or anything that would hinder your progress, okay? Super, super, super important. So follow me on our next lesson.